Today's video is sponsored by Spin Master.
Phew, there is a phantom right outside my door. Did you guys hear something?
Special delivery for Evan Storm.
Hey, that's me. I need to get Dad.
What is it?
It's a giant box.
Whoa! What is that?
I don't know.
Evan! Hey! Someone sent us, or you, a
Yeah.
package.
Uh-huh.
Wonder what's in this thing. Do you hear anything?
No.
It's got your name on it.
Yeah.
What do you say we take it inside and open it up?
Okay.
Grab it! Whoa, easy! It might be fragile. Let's open this thing up.
Okay.
Try this.
This off?
Is it working?
No.
Careful, we don't know what's inside here though, Evan.
Yeah, it could
Don't
be.
press down too hard. Okay. Packaging material. Ooh, it's a giant blue box.
It's a box inside of a box.
Evan, what is this?
I don't know.
Is that... That's Batman. It's a Batman logo.
Logo?
Evan, let's turn it upside down. Yeah. Evan, grab that side. Grab that side, I'll get this side. Evan, here it comes. Look. Looks like Gotham City. Whoa. Evan, look at this cool box. Moto-Tank and Bane versus Batman. That's Gotham City.
Uh-huh.
Look, and there's the Batman signal. Oh, it's the Batman cave. Oh, look, there's a T-Rex.
And a giant penny. Why is there a... no. Oh,
Yes. There it is. Oh, look at Bane, Evan.
Uh-huh.
Wait. Hey, that sounds hollow.
Yeah, that does.
I think there's something underneath the floor.
Should we get a tow truck and pull this off?
What is it? What is it? Evan, we hit a gold mine! We found the lost Batman treasure. Look at this. Look at all of them.
Wow.
There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's like 9 figures.
There is 9 figures.
What suit is that?
I don't know, man. It looks like metal.
There's the Riddler. And the Joker. Ooh, and Nightwing, Robin.
Wait, Nightwing's good, right?
And there's the battech Batman. Yeah, that's Robin. He's wearing a different outfit or suit. Another one. Another Joker.
Another Joker.
And we have 2 Batman. One for your sister, Evan. What do you say we open these up?
Okay.
Let's start with Batman.
Okay.
Hey, look. Each figure comes with 3 surprises. You turn it on the back. 1, 2, and 3. You just pop that little hole open and it reveals what's inside of here. comes. Look at that guy.
Bye.
All right, Evan. See if you can put a hole in that.
No, I did it. There.
What is it? Oh, there's question marks. The Joker's been here, Evan.
The
Oh, there's
Joker's
another
getting-
hole thing right there. Oh,
Oh.
what's in number 3?
Oh.
What is this, Evan? Oh, he's got gloves. Let's see what's in number 2. It's like an ice shield. Oh, Evan, check it out. It comes with a poster.
Girl.
Oh, there's some mystery figures, Evan.
Wow.
That's pretty cool, huh? Open up door number 1. What is it, Evan?
It's like a little grabber.
Oh, yeah, it has a claw on it. There's battech.
There's
Ooh, what is it, Evan?
a bat star, I guess. Like a ninja star, a bat star.
Ooh, it's a bat boomerang. Ooh, what is that?
Another grappling.
Ooh,
hook.
grappling hook, okay. I'll do the last one, Evan.
Okay.
Oh, look at that cannon.
Oh, that's like a grenade launcher.
All right, Evan, up next we have Robin.
Robin.
Open him up. Ooh, whoa. Oh, here we go. Which one? Middle one.
Yeah, doing number 2, like Dooku.
What is it, Evan?
It's an axe.
Ooh, it's a battle axe.
Oh.
Oh, no. Ooh, it's a double-ended battle axe. The bottom door. What is
What
that?
in the world is this? It looks like a jet fighter.
And the top one, Evan. Let's see what that is.
Looks like a megaphone. Woo!
Probably puts out some kind of supersonic sound.
One
Whatever it is,
more.
it's huge.
Woo!
Okay, Evan, who's next?
Joker.
Oh, it's the
dirty
Joker.
Joker.
Teamwork.
Oh, dude, that's kind of hard.
Ah, here he comes. And there's the Joker. Ooh. You hear that?
Yeah,
Something cool in there.
something cool in there.
Pull, Evan.
Eh.
All right, here we go. The mystery boxes. Let's see what's in here. Do the top one first, Evan.
Okay, yeah.
What is that?
It's a fish.
What?
It's a fish.
It's a piranha, Evan.
Wait, I think he throws piranhas at people.
All right, I'll do the middle one, Evan.
Okay.
And it is...
What? What in the world is that?
I don't know, but it has teeth, whatever it is, and it walks, has feet.
Wait a minute.
The last one, Evan, for the Joker. What is that?
Hand.
Oh, it's a power hand. Power glove. And let's do Nightwing, Robin.
Nightwing.
All right, Evan, open up Nightwing.
Attack! There we go.
Whoa! All right, Evan, there he is.
He exploded.
Mystery accessories, Evan.
Accessory.
Rip it off, Evan.
Nope.
Ooh, which one first? Middle one. What
What
is it?
Nothing. What?
Oh,
What? Nothing.
nothing in there. Okay, the bottom one.
Oh.
Oh, there's 2 in the bottom
There's
one. Oh, it
2.
fell in there. There's a hole
Oh,
right
it fell
there.
in there. Wait, it looks like a chainsaw. Wow.
Look at this Robin blaster, Evan.
Yeah, it looks like a blaster.
See what's in there.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh. What?
3 in there.
This looks like another chainsaw.
Do you see this Batman right here?
Yeah.
This is the armored Batman. So this armored Batman is very rare.
Really?
Yeah. He's hard to find.
Really?
Very hard to find.
Yeah.
Whoa!
They're all taking naps now.
Whoa, he just fell out. Oh, there he is. All right, let's see what he has, Evan. Let's open up the yellow door first. What is it?
Another one of those.
Same
Oh,
thing.
no.
Different?
Yeah, different. It looks like a blaster.
Ooh, that is. surprises. And the top one, Evan. Ooh, that's different.
Oh, no, it's not. It's another boomerang.
That was the bat ring.
The
Booma bat ring.
The Booma Batarang?
Yes.
The Poopa Bat.
Here's the rare armored Batman. What happened to Robin over there? Nightwing Robin. He's laid out. Get up, Robin. You've got work to do. It's the Riddler.
The Riddler.
Now, should we open up this one?
Okay.
The reason why I'm asking, because this one is super duper rare.
What?
If you find this in a store, Evan, you're really, really, really lucky.
Really?
Yes, you've got to snatch this up if you see it. Anyway, so it says on the back here, super rare. Let's show the Riddler to the Stormers.
Okay.
All right, Evan, take out the green super duper rare Riddler. Whoa. Oh, Evan, you can kind of like see through him. All right, Evan, let's see what's in the secret doors.
Okay.
Pull. Boom. All right, which one's the bottom one first?
Bottom one, bottom.
What is it?
What?
It's like a question mark.
He
It's
must.
like his cane.
Yeah, he must. A walkie-talkie.
Oh, some kind of a cool briefcase of some sort. Look at that, Stormers. All right, Evan, check out the super duper rare Riddler with his accessories.
Ooh.
Oh, we forgot something.
Oh.
Look at this, Evan.
By the way, the Moto-Tank kind of looks like a ghost from Halo. Can't really get a good grip. There we go. And,
Oh, there we go.
wait, let me chainsaw it out.
Oh, look at this bat. Whoa, whoops.
Oh no, you crushed
My bad.
them.
Let's get out the Moto-Batman.
The Moto-Batman.
I don't know.
What is he being called?
I'm not sure what Batman this is.
Yeah.
Ah, here he comes. Oh, he's stuck though.
Bane.
There he is.
You just crushed them again. You just crushed them again.
All right, let's get out Bane.
You are crazy.
Let's get Bane out. Come on, Bane.
Bane has a jetpack. You just crushed them again.
Come to Daddy Bane. Here we go.
He has a jetpack.
Oh, he does. This is like the original Bane. Oh, this guy's pretty cool. He's like, "Rawr, I need to go work out. Where's the nearest gym?"
I don't even know if this jetpack would even be able to lift him up. He's so big.
Kind of small, huh?
Yeah, it's a little small. Work out anymore. You're already done.
Evan, check out the Moto-Tank.
Oh.
That is sweet. So like a tank, it has these tracks, but also it has these wheels that can roll. Watch this, Evan. Evan, check this out. All right, Evan, here's the Moto-Tank. Check it out.
Okay.
It's got some blasters up front.
Like a ram? It has a ram.
Oh, yeah, I can ram stuff, huh? Batman, take cover. Here comes Bane. Take that, Boy Wonder. I need some help, Joker! Batman, it's gonna take more than that. Hey, Batman,
What?
what do you call a dinosaur fart?
I don't know.
A blast from the past. Take that! Here comes Riddler. Step back! Clothesline!
The Moto-Tank's going out of control because there's no drive.
right, Evan, we gotta go.
Okay. Thank you, Spin Master. Watch more Evan Storm. Hey Stormers, what do you call a cheese that's not your cheese? Nacho cheese, get it?